Okay, guys. So welcome everyone. So let's learn about how to compare rational numbers. So comparison of rational numbers. Yesterday we have seen how to locate or how to draw the numbers on number line. Right. So we have seen this. Show the numbers on a following number line. How to show the numbers. So we have yesterday. Now let's see here. How can we compare two numbers? So we know that for any pair of numbers on a number line, the number on the left hand side is smaller than other. बरोबर की नाही? Suppose this is your number line. Left hand side चा जो number आहे, it is smaller than the right hand side. उजव्यापेक्षा डावीकडचा number छोटा आहे. You know very well. So also if the numerator and the denominator of a rational number is multiplied by any non-zero number, then the value of rational number does not change. Get it? Does not change. काय सांगितलं की suppose numerator हे बघ इथे कोण दिले इथे suppose a upon b is your fraction, and if you multiply both the numbers by the same number like ka upon kb, a upon kb. So what will happen here? The value will not change. समझ का value will not change unless and until your k is not 0. So to compare the numbers, what we need to do, guys? So let's see some solved examples. So example number 1 given to you is we have to compare the numbers 5 upon 4 and 2 upon 3. आपल्याला सांगायचं आहे we have to show which number is greater and which number is smaller in these two fractions. Okay, 5 upon 4 मोठा आहे का 2 upon 3 मोठा आहे. So for that purpose, what we will be doing, and you have to use this symbol, smaller than, greater than, or is equal to, right? Now what can we do, guys? आपल्याला denominator same करायला लक्षात घ्या. We have to equalize the denominator. Denominator किती आहे 4 आणि 3. So in this case, if we see 4 and 3, 4 and 3 चा जो LCM आहे, okay, LCM of 4 and 3 is 2. LCM काय असतो, HCF काय असतो, you know very well. शिकलेला तुम्ही. HCF तुम्हाला शिकवलेला आहे मी. Also LCM I have shown, taught you. तो आपल्याला काय करायचंय, इन सिम्पल लँग्वेज वी हॅव टू इक्वलाइज द डिनोमिनेटर. 4 आणि 3 ला इक्वल करायचं. सो हाऊ कॅन यू इक्वल दॅम? 5 upon 4 ला आपल्याला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे बोथ द साइड्स, सॉरी न्यूमरेटर एज वेल डिनोमिनेटर बाय 3. सो 5 upon 4 the fraction we are going to multiply by 3. So what do we get here, guys? काय मिळतं आपल्याला 15 upon 12. 5 3 is 15, 4 3 is 12. Similarly, 2 upon 3 ला आपल्याला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं 4 ने, so that we can get 12 in the denominator. So 3 4s are 12 and 2 4s are 8. Now we are going to compare these fractions, these new fractions. कोणता आहे 15 upon 12 and 8 upon 12. So here you can say 15 upon 12 is greater than 8 upon 12, right? Denominator equal झाले. Now consider the numerator. छेद समान झाले आहेत. Now you have to consider the numerator. So obviously 15 is greater than 8. 15 8 पेक्षा मोठा आहे. Therefore the first fraction is greater than the second fraction. Therefore आता original fraction घ्यायचे आहे. This 5 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 3. That is greater than 2 upon 3. So this is the method. This is one of the method we will be using for comparing the fraction. Second method काय तुमची बघा. Second method is like cross multiplication. So 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So here if you see 15 is greater than 8, therefore first fraction is greater than second fraction. So this method is very easy method. खूप सोपी पद्धत आहे. Because I generally prefer this method because फक्त क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे. इथे एवढं मल्टिप्लाय करत बसायची गरज पडत नाही आपल्याला. इक्वलाइज करायची गरज पडत नाही. Getting? So you can follow any method, right? Okay, so let's see the next example, next solved example. We have to compare rational numbers -7 upon 9 and 4 upon 5. So what is given, guys, here? Let's see here. a negative number is always less than a positive number. लक्षात घ्या. No, negative number is always less than a positive number. Therefore, minus 7 upon 9 is smaller than 4 upon 5. Negative number हा छोटाच असतो, त्यामुळे आपण डायरेक्टली काय करू शकतो, कंपेअर करताना we can directly say a positive number is greater than negative number. And to compare two negative numbers, जर दोन negative number दिले असतील, then what can we do? Okay, then what can we do, guys? Suppose इथे -4 दिलं असतं. So at this stage also तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, you have to equalize denominator only. तुम्हाला पण denominator equalize करायचे आहे same way. But इथे उलट असतं, लक्षात घ्या. Say 3 is greater than 2. लक्षात ठेवा. 3 हा 2 पेक्षा मोठा आहे. But the negative numbers, negative sign जर आपण दिले, then you know very well की -2 हा मोठा आहे -3 पेक्षा. नीट लक्ष द्या. This is something very important for you. हे तुम्ही मार्क करून ठेवा, कुठेतरी लिहून ठेवा. It is very important. 2 हा 3 पेक्षा लहान आहे, लक्षात घ्या. 2 is smaller than 3. पण जर आपण दोघांना मायनस चिन्ह दिले, तर -2 is greater than -3. लक्षात ठेवा. -2 हा -3 पेक्षा मोठा असतो. हे तुम्हाला लक्षात आलं पाहिजे. Okay, so the third question you have given, you have to compare -7 upon 3 and -5 upon 2. So first we will compare 7 upon 3 and 5 upon 2. आधी याला compare करूया, okay? And then we will put negative signs. So 7 upon 3 आणि 5 upon 2. So 3 to the 6. 3 आणि 2 यांचा जो LCM आहे, that is 6, right? So how to equalize the denominator? We are going to multiply the first fraction by 2. बघायचे दिवस तुम्हाला 2 ने multiply केले, 7 to the 14, 3 to the 6. Then the second thing is here 5 3 is 15, 2 3 is 6. 5 3 is 15, 2 3 is 6. मग तुम्हाला जे नवीन fraction मिळाले, these are your fractions. 14 upon 6 is equal to 15 upon is less than 15 upon 6. बरोबर की नाही? 14 आणि 15. So 15 मोठे आहे, obviously. Therefore, 7 upon 3 is smaller than 5 upon 3. पण जेव्हा तुम्ही त्याला निगेटिव्ह साइन देणार, then this will be reverse. आता हे रिव्हर्स झालं बघा. दोघांमध्ये कंपेअर करा. The sign is reverse. परत सांगतो बघा. 7 upon 3 is smaller than 5 upon 2. पण आपल्याला जो ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन आहे, in the original question you have negative signs. So here, if we take the negative signs, -7 upon 3, and here -5 upon 2. So even if we take the negative signs, then this sign will be reversed. So तुम्हाला 7 upon 3 greater मिळेल. समजतं? Example number 4. You have to compare 3 upon 5 and 6 upon 10. So here you can see 3 upon 5 can be written as 6 upon 10. So both the fractions are equal. Both the fractions are equal. So we get some rules here. Rules So first rule is the following rules are useful to compare two rational numbers. Rule number if A and B, A upon B and C upon D are the rational numbers such that B and D are positive. Okay, B and D are positive. The denominator that is positive. Then the first one is A into D. A into D multiply. We say cross multiplication. A into D is smaller than B into C. Then we can write the first fraction is smaller than second fraction. So rule number 2, if A into D is equal to B into C, cross multiply करायचं दोन्ही सारखं असेल तर then both the fractions are equal. Both the fractions are equal. And rule number 3, त्याच्या opposite आहे. First आणि 3 they are exactly opposite to each other. A into D is greater than B into C. Therefore, A upon B is greater than C upon D. So we will be following these rules. आपण हेच rule follow करूया and 1.2 solve करूया. Okay. So let's see question number 1. Compare the following numbers. एकच question already चल. So the first one, -7 and -2. Okay. Second one, second पर सोपा है. That is 0 and -9 upon 5. So आधी 2 सोडूया आपण थर्ड पण इथे लिहून ठेवतो तुम्हाला म्हणजे मला तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी उत्तर सांगू शकता 8/7 and 0 चलो ठीक है टेल मी द आंसर okay so Jay you are right everyone is right -7/2 -7 and -2 so here you can say -2 is greater than -7 0 -9/5 or -9/5 so 0 is greater than -9/5 third 8/7 is greater than 0 8/7 is greater than 0 then question number 4 here -5/4 and -1/4 so obviously तुम्हाला denominator equal आहे so you can directly compare that 1/4 is greater than 1 is greater than -5 therefore 1/4 is greater than -5/4 denominator equal आहे ना त्यामुळे टेन्शन तुम्हाला नाही डायरेक्टली तुम्ही लिहू शकता here also in this question number 5 40 is smaller than 141 right therefore 141/29 is greater than 40/29 बरोबर की नाही इथे लगेच तुम्हाला करू शकतो because you have given the denominators equal त्यामुळे टेन्शन तेवढं नाही sixth question बघा it is also similar guys because denominators are equal therefore just you have to compare the numerators now -17 -30 so -13 is greater than -17 therefore -13/20 is greater than -17/20 okay that is the question number 6 so 6 पर्यंत सगळं सोपं आहे okay so Jay please what do you want to ask question number 7 15/12 and 7/16 so 12 and 16 if we say guys now so we will follow the cross multiplication सोपं आहे आपण तेच करूया आपण डायरेक्टली so 15 into 16 आणि इकडे घ्या तुम्ही कॉमा 7 into 12 so 15 into 16 किती झाले 15 6 जा 90 15 1 जा 15 15 plus 9 24 and here बारीसाठी 84 84 so you can say that first the number 240 is greater than 84 therefore you can write 15/12 is greater than 7/16 समजतं question number 7 question number 8 here same आपण याचा क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय करूया 25 into 4 25 into 4 minus 25 into 4 comma 8 into minus 9 or negative 9 whatever so 25 to 4 तुमचे झाले 100 negative 100 किंवा minus 100 and here minus 72 8 बाद minus 72 so negative sign असल्यामुळे you know very well that the smaller number is greater minus 72 is greater than minus 100 therefore you can write here इकडे लिहू शकतो आपण therefore minus 25/8 is smaller than minus 9/4 question number 8 okay guys so I'm again repeating it for you question number 8 we have to compare minus 25/8 and minus or negative 9/4 so cross multiply kara 25 minus 25 into 4 comma 8 into minus 9 so minus 25 into 4 किती आले minus 100 8 9 जा 72 ना आता लक्षात ठेवा की निगेटिव्ह साइन असल्यानंतर both the numbers have negative signs therefore smaller number is actually a bigger one म्हणजे minus 72 is greater than minus 100 therefore the second fraction is greater than first fraction that means minus 9/4 is greater than minus 25/8 Question number 9. Here, if you say same, आपण चला त्याच मेथडने जाऊया. So it will be better if we follow the same method. चला, काही problem नाही. So 12 into 5. Comma 15 into 3. 12 5 is 60. 15 3 is 45. So 60 greater than 45, 60 मोठे आहेत. So what can we write here, guys? आपण काय लिहू शकतो? So after that we can write here the first fraction, that is 12 upon 15 is greater than 3 upon 5. Okay, good. Okay, so the last question of your practice set 1.2. Practice set 1.2. Sorry. Question number 10. Same method we are following. Minus 7 into 4, comma 11 into minus 3. 11 into minus 3. Okay, so 7 4 is 28, negative 28 or minus 28, and 11 3 is 33. Now minus 28 is greater than minus 23. Negative is na? Therefore, what can you write next? The first fraction is greater than second fraction. So minus 7 upon 11 is greater than minus 3 upon 4. What's that? Negative मध्ये तुम्हाला कळलं असेल की the smaller number is actually the bigger one.